you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Volvo XC90 XC90 T6 Momentum. It's a tongue twister. Anyhow, this was a low-level flood damage vehicle we repaired. As you can see, the engine compartment is clean. This was a very low-level flood. Everything works. The electrical system is functioning as it should. The vehicle runs and drives perfectly. It's currently awaiting New Jersey salvage inspection. We're going to run it through the salvage inspection process and sell the vehicle with a rebuilt title. We do offer financing on our rebuilt vehicles. We deal with an excellent bank. You have to excuse the video, it's a little tight. A lot of cars here. Do a quick walk around. The body is very clean. Look up top. Take a quick look inside. We removed the entire interior, replaced the carpets, replaced the foam, cleaned, sterilized everything, made sure there's no corrosion or rust anywhere in the vehicle. Nice panoramic roof. Yeah, rear climate controls, rear heated seats. Nice fully optioned vehicle. Nice leather interior, nice wood grain. Everything's functioning as it should. Has only 5,000 miles. Navigation. We have 2 sets of keys. Literally smells like a brand new vehicle in here. You guys did a really good job on this one. If you're interested, give us a call. Thanks for watching.